Hey, it's Kate with WTI. I love Johnny Cash and his music and his writing. So this book is really special to me. Forever Words, which are poems by Johnny Cash. I think that these poems are just so precious, and being able to read writings from Johnny Cash that are different from the songs that we're so familiar with is really, really interesting, and a glimpse into the man behind the black, the man behind the guitar, the man that Johnny Cash was. And then it gets into Johnny's writings, and it gives a little time when each of these poems were written as well. So it's just a really, really beautiful book, I think, for fans of poetry, fans of creative writing, but of course those who appreciate Johnny Cash as a man, appreciate his music. This is absolutely a must read. Does anybody out there love me? Does anybody out there care? Does anybody out there want to share? Does anybody out there love me? I love this book. I think that it is such a beautiful, beautiful find. Again, if you love Johnny Cash, definitely check this out. I think that you're going to love reading these poems, but that's just my point of view.